Eating healthy as a family is essential for overall well-being and fostering strong relationships. When families prioritize nutritious meals, they not only support each other's physical health but also create opportunities for bonding and building lasting memories. One of the key benefits of eating healthy food as a family is the promotion of good health. By consuming a balanced diet such as fruits, vegetables, whole grain, and lean proteins, family members can reduce the risk of chronic illness such as heart diseases, diabetes, and obesity. Children who grow up in an environment where nutritious food is the norm are more likely to develop healthy eating habits that they carry into adulthood. Moreover, preparing and sharing meals together can strengthen family bonds. The act of cooking and eating together fosters communications, togetherness, and sense of belonging. It provides a valuable opportunities for family members to connect, share stories about their day, and create a positive environment for open conversations. Through this shared experience, family members can develop a deeper understanding of each other and cultivate a sense of unity. Eating healthy food as a family is more than just a way to nourish the body. It is a holistic approach to promoting health and well-being. By prioritizing nutritious meals, family can cultivate strong relationships, build lasting memories, and support each other's physical and mental health. Making healthy eating is priority in the family not only benefits individuals, members, but also contributes to creating a positive and thriving family dynamics. Family can also have a positive impact on mental well-being. Nutrient-dense food can support cognitive function, mood regulation, and overall mental health. So prioritizing food that nourishes the body and mind, families can reduce feeling of stress, anxieties, and fatigue. The act of sharing a meal can also create a sense of comfort and stability, providing a source of emotional support for family members during challenging times. Involving children in meal preparation can teach them valuable skills and instill a sense of responsibilities. When kids participate in cooking, they learn about different ingredients, cooking techniques, and food safety practices. These hands-on experiencing not only equip them with essential life skills but also empowers them to make healthier food choices in the future. By involving the children in meal planning process, family can nurture a positive attitude towards food and promote a healthy relationship with eating. Healthy food will never let you feel lazy and dull. Healthy food comes in natural form, so it is always better to consume organic raw food, avoid eating junk food, and switch to healthy food. Now listen to these 10 tips if you want to eat healthy. Number 1. Consume home cooked food more often. Number 2. Eat only as per your requirements. Number 3. Eat at regular intervals. Number 4. Munch on healthy snacks. Number 5. Eat when hungry. Number 6. Consume whole grain more often. Number 7. Eat more protein. Number 8. Eat fish for omega source. Number 9. Include healthy fats in your diet. Number 10. Eat varieties of veggies. Thank you for your audience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share to your friends, well wishes, and neighbors. See you in my next content. Mwah.